Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Travel with Sharmi. For our Christmas weekend, we planned to spend our days exploring Kingston and Ottawa. But due to a snowstorm, we were basically stuck in Kingston Hotel for 2 days. You know what? It was my first snowstorm experience. It was really exciting, but it was scary at the same time. So, how did I manage to enjoy my time at hotel? On our third day, the weather improved a bit and we started exploring the town. The snow covered Kingston town was really spectacular. We also attended a Christmas mass, and this was our first white Christmas together. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for more. Till then, keep traveling.